Welcome to my channel. My name is Oshane Crooks. On this channel, I will be sharing with you my artistic skills and drawing techniques. I will also share drawing tutorials, type of material I use to create my drawings, and tips for anyone who wants to learn how to draw. I hope you may find more interesting content on this channel. Stay tuned while I share with you some highlights of my amazing artwork. I have been drawing from I was small. Used to make sketch of my older brother artworks. So sad he's not here with us today, but I know he's watching over me. Proud to see how far I have taken my artwork. I haven't given up on my journey. My philosophy state: I am seeking, I am striving, I am in it with all my heart. I am aiming to be one of the world's best pencil artists. With the help of God, I know I will be successful. I am able to handle multiple tasks on a daily basis. I am so proud of myself making a difference and making my time count. I am a hardworking and driven individual who isn't afraid to face challenges. I am passionate about my work and I know how to get the job done. I would describe myself as an open and honest person who doesn't believe in misleading other person and tries to be fair in everything I do. I am always eager to learn something new. I never give up until I get the job done. Hard work doesn't bother me. I like everything I do to be well organized. Looking back at this unique artwork, I have to say, wow, I can't believe I did this. But I guess I did. Thanks to the Lord, I couldn't have done it without Him. There's many reasons why I create this channel besides just sharing with you my artwork. I want to inspire you to pursue your own passion, whether it's painting, drawing, acting, doing music, whatever it may be. So if you like to create with me and join me on this adventure of my art journey, be sure to subscribe so you can see new videos as soon as they come out, and turn on the notification bell. Can you believe this is actually my first commission drawing, thanks to God Almighty? It was done back in 2018 while I was on duty working at a hotel. I was just fooling around cause once I see paper, pencil, pen or any other drawing material, I'm gonna create some form of art. You may not see much in this artwork, but it has a powerful meaning. Every person gravitates to art in a different way. It speaks to the soul. With the help of God Almighty, He has given me this beautiful gift, and I thank Him every day. I couldn't have reached this far without Him, and trust me, in whatever you do, put Him first. You will be successful. Follow your dream. Talent comes from God. If you have been blessed with a little, then value it, cultivate it, work and develop it. You are so much stronger than your excuses. I have chosen to make the rest of my life the best of my life. You should too. Nothing can dim the light that shines from within. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. The link is in my description below. Check out this portrait of how well detailed it is. Art is not something to be rushed. You have to be gentle and well patient. I believe art has the power to transform, to illuminate, to educate, inspire, and motivate. Being an artist is like a wizard with a wand. An artist uses pencil to create magic. I really love what I do, and it doesn't stop here. This is just the beginning of something great. A simple piece of art can lead to freedom and happiness. My fellow viewers, I say to you, put God first in everything you do, and I guarantee you, you will be successful in whatever you are doing. Trust me, it works, best believe. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you again in upcoming videos, and I'm wishing you a beautiful and inspiring day. God bless you.